Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. I am Abdul Midin Yunus representing Mastery.com. Today we are going to discuss another interesting topic with you, that is input devices. Before starting a video, I request my new viewers kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that they can get my new uploaded videos easily. Now moving towards the topic. First we recall what are input devices. Devices with the help of which we enter data into the computer. It is the simplest definition of input devices. And as earlier, we see that some examples of input devices. Now in this lecture, we will discuss the detail of input devices. As on your screen, a list of input devices is shown. First is keyboard, then mouse, then joystick, then light pen, then trackball, then scanner, then graphic tablet, then microphone, then magnetic ink card reader, that is MICR, then optical character reader, OCR, barcode reader, then optical mark reader, OMR. Now first device is keyboard. Keyboard is the most common and very popular input device which helps to input data to the computer. The layout of the keyboard is like that of the traditional typewriter, although there were some additional keys provided for performing additional functions. Keyboards are of two sizes, 84 keys or 101 or 102 keys. But now keyboards with 104 keys or 108 keys are also available for Windows and Internet. The keys on the keyboard are as follow: typing keys, numeric keypad, function keys, control keys, special purpose keys. First, typing keys. These keys include the letter keys A to Z and digit keys 0 to 9, which generally gives the same layout as that of typewriter. Then numeric keypad. It is used to enter the numeric data or cursor movement. Generally, it consists of a set of 17 keys that are laid out in the same configuration used by the most adding machines and calculators. And then, function keys. The 12 function keys are present on the keyboard, which are arranged in a row at the top of the keyboard. Each function key has a unique meaning and is used for some specific purpose. And then control keys. These keys provide cursor and screen control. It includes 4 direction arrow keys. Control keys also include home, end, insert, delete, page up, page down, control, alternate, escape keys. And then special purpose keys. Keyboard also contains some special purpose keys such as enter, shift, caps lock, num lock, spacebar, tab, and print screen. And the next device is mouse. Mouse is the most popular pointing device. It is a very famous cursor control device having a small palm-sized box with a round ball at its base, which senses the movement of the mouse and sends corresponding signal to the CPU when the mouse button are pressed. Generally, it has 2 buttons called the left and the right button, and a wheel is present between the buttons. A mouse can be used to control the position of a cursor on the screen, but it cannot be used to enter a text into the computer. And its advantages include easy to use, not very expensive, moves the cursor faster than the arrow keys of the keyboard. Then joystick. Joystick is also a pointing device which is used to move the cursor position on a monitor screen. It is a stick having a spherical ball at its both lower and upper ends. The lower spherical ball moves in a socket. The joystick can be moved in all 4 directions. The function of the joystick is similar to that of a mouse. It is mainly used in computer-aided designing, that is CAD, and playing computer games. And the next device is light pen. Light pen is a pointing device similar to a pen. It is used to select a displayed menu item or draw pictures on the monitor screen. It consists of a photocell and an optical system placed in a small tube. When the tip of a light pen is moved over the monitor screen and the pen button is pressed, its photocell sensing element detects the screen location and sends the corresponding signal to the CPU. And then the next device is trackball. Trackball is an input device that is mostly used in notebook or laptop computer instead of a mouse. This is a ball which is half inserted, and by moving fingers on the ball, the pointer can be moved. Since the whole device is not moved, a trackball requires less space than a mouse. A trackball comes in various shapes like a ball, a button, or a square. Then the next device is scanner. Scanner is an input device which works more like a photocopy machine. It is used when some information is available on paper and it is to be transferred to the hard disk of the computer for further manipulation. Scanner captures images from the source which are then converted into the digital form that can be stored on the disk. These images can be edited before they are printed. And the next device is Digitizer. Digitizer is an input device which converts analog information into digital form. Digitizer can convert a signal from the television or camera into a series of numbers that could be stored in a computer. They can be used by the computer to create a picture of whatever the camera had been pointed at. Digitizer is also known as tablet or graphics tablet, as it converts graphics and pictorial data into binary inputs. A graphic tablet as digitizer is used for fine work of drawing and image manipulation applications. Then the next input device is microphone. Microphone is an input device to input sound that is then stored in a digital form. The microphone is used for various applications such as adding sound to a multimedia presentation or for mixing music. And then next device is magnetic ink card reader, that is MICR. MICR input device is generally used in banks as there are large number of checks to be processed every day. The bank's code number and check number are printed on the checks with a special type of ink that contains particles of magnetic material that are machine readable. The reading process is called magnetic ink character recognition, that is MICR. The main advantage of MICR is that it is fast and less error prone. Next input device is optical character reader, OCR. OCR is an input device used to read a printed text. OCR scans the text optically, character by character, converts them into a machine readable code, and stores the text on the system memory. Barcode readers. Barcode readers is a device used for reading barcoded data, that is data in the form of light and dark line. Barcoded data is generally used in labeling goods, numbering the books. It may be a handheld scanner or may be embedded in a stationary scanner. Barcode reader scans a barcode image, converts it into a alphanumeric value, which is then fed to the computer that the barcode reader is connected to. Then the next input device is OMR, that is optical mark reader. OMR is a special type of optical scanner used to recognize the type of a mark made by the pen or a pencil. It is used where one out of a few alternatives is to be selected or marked. It is specially used for checking the answer sheets of examinations having multiple choice questions. And the image of every input device is shown on your screen so that you can develop a better understanding of these devices. So friends, this is a lecture that I have delivered to you. If you have any query or you want to give us any suggestion, then kindly comment us below. Inshallah, we will meet you in the next lecture with a new topic. That's it. Khuda Hafiz.